Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tour says she wanna steer the car out of the community. So I give her the channel to steer the car.
Yes, I'm trying. Oh.
Okay, turn it and see this. Turn it.
I'm going to step on people.
Okay.
All the best, all the best.
See which way you're going?
I don't know, this way.
So where the car going over this side?
But I'm turning it. Okay. Until those people have felt.
See the line, you have to keep in line with that line.
I'm trying, but I'm trying to.
So all of this when you reach.
But I'm reading.
Yeah, you just keep it like this. Keep the steering like that, like in the middle. When you're on a straight road, you keep it like this.
Okay. So
now only when you're gonna take a corner, now that's when you because this is the line you should follow, and you should keep left.
So should I start turning? Not yet, right?
So you have to use your judgment and know when to turn. Yeah, family. So when you're learning to drive, this is the first thing you have to learn to do.
Will make me sweat before you get to the road.
So I guess each time I'm coming out of the community, I'll have to make you something that's really. I'll have to make it because when you go around the steering now and start to use the gas, then you're gonna learn now how to actually learn the gauge and how to actually use the steering properly.
Make sure I don't hit this bicycle. Although I'm sure I'm not keeping left.
You know that.
Who will stop stepping on the gas?
So now you have a corner.
Tell me I'm trying.
There's a car coming.
I'm blind.
So you look properly. Look what you're doing.
The problem, I might hit that small bit. But because you've told me I keep this thing straight.
It's not straight, sweetie.
Well,
Because you got to mash up the car. This is straight.
Oh, there's a TX coming.
This is not straight.
That's straight.
That's straight. So when you're on a straight road, you keep it straight like that.
Okay.
Right?
Yes. But even this TX is staggering on the road.
Yeah, if I give you like, sweetie, where you going? Keep it straight now. Yeah, family. So, Miss Jam Tour is doing.
I'm driving with one hand.
It's not straight, you know.
Okay, I'll hit this one. Okay, you're making me sad. Because I'm trying to. Because I'm trying to drive. I know I'm not straight.
See what you're doing.
I want to take that.
This is how you're gonna drive on the road.
It's straight, not sure.
Yeah, it should be straight.
Oh, when we take that corner, please take your steering.
What? You see what they're doing?
Oh. My eyes are not on the road. Okay, I can't take that corner.
What do you mean I can't take the corner, sweetie? Now make nobody tell you, say you can't. Go for where you want, girl. Go for where you want. Alright, straighten up now. No. Okay.
It's straight, no? Well, I should have been on the steering. I'll be.
So you say it'd be better if you're on the steering?
Yeah.
You feel like you're too much on this side. Look on the. Well, I guess you're alright. Look, you can look on the.
Imagine I'm very far. Even somebody
you can look on the glass there to see where you're at. You see?
Ah.
You see, you're fine.
I'm not badly off.
Not badly, but I feel like you're going over there too much now. It's alright. It's coming away.
But you told me I keep left.
Keep left. I mean the same what's going on the sidewalk.
See the bush. Stop accelerating.
steering that's stopping
Maybe
the car.
I didn't even know it's gas.
It's gas stop the car.
Like when you're pressing, so
It's
you can
gas
put brakes. It's the brakes that stops the car. Well, I meant like if you don't press on the gas, so
Eh?
it won't move.
Yeah, it depends
Well,
on
it
where
will move.
it depends on where you're something there. So you can you go through that gate?
No.
Come on, you must can go through the gate. Come go through the
But
gate.
where I'm going.
Go through the gate. Go through the gate. Fly the gate and let in the pirate.
Where am I going? This side.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, boo, wait.
So yeah, I might have to travel soon, you know. And I'll have to leave the car with you.
Oh, I didn't hoot for them. Now out of here.
So you're supposed to be able to go to Quick Mart. So we're not gonna go to the driving school.
Huh?
We're gonna sign up for the drive.
Birth. I don't want to lose my baby on the road. Trying to drive. As soon as I deliver, that I can leave the child with her. And then I'll be milking for you. I'll be expressing. Look, I'm going in the bush. Is there a car behind? No.
So you know what you're doing?
Yes, I'm straight.
Yeah, family, this is teaching Miss Jam Tours how to drive. And she needs to go to the driving school.
Yeah.
I'm telling her every day, so
Or actually,
I'll have to teach her like this.
You know, this is the easiest time I can go. I think I should go.
Yeah?
I think I should go to driving school now. Because
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
So I shouldn't let go of the start. I've had the starting.
Yeah, family, so, you know, as I said, we're gonna run some errands, so let's go.